How to partition, select, or extend the disk volume in laptops on Windows 10 or 11 for free without losing your data. So let me start. Okay, on Windows 11, right click on this PC, select Manage. Now here click to open disk management. Here you can see the disk that is not partitioned. Now all what you have to do, right click on this disk and then select the link volume. Okay, here it depends on disk space I'd like to create. Like for me, let me create like 800 GB. Type in these codes. After that, click on link. This will start the process, and you have to be patient because this process might take some time. It depends on your computer speed. Okay, when it's done, here you will see unallocated disk. Right click on it. Here select new simple volume. Click on next. Again here click on next. Now enter the volume label that you'd like to create or you'd like to use. Let me enter like a backup. After that, click on next. Then click on finish. You have now done creating the partition without losing the data files on your Windows. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and even click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos on this channel. Until next time, bye.